In this solar eclipse energy that many people are talking about and actually experiencing, entering this specific type of energy creates probably a personal conversation about feeling somewhat stuck in different aspects of our lives. And during this time, it's important to shake things up and loosen them up and move forward. Like, you know, when we take like a rug that's filled with dirt and dust and we want to just clear it out, obviously we have to pick it up, shake it out. And some of those types of actions require us to do the same thing with our emotions. The important thing is not to be afraid, okay? It's important for us to stand up for ourselves and make these changes by releasing the past. We want to nurture ourselves by going inward and asking these specific types of questions. And before we ask the questions, we want to really dream, right? The greatest desires into reality and dream our greatest future for the good of ourselves and for those around us and the world itself. We have the potential to create that manifestation of thought and energy. And here's a little bit of a meditation that I want to share with you that I found on my friend's information, her page, that was sharing the specific type of meditation or questions to ask during this time. And the first thing is number one is to step into the energy of the heart, right? Our heart is a manifestation of creation, of our true self, of our inner wisdom, our inner, our higher brain almost, right? The ability for us to connect to our heart gives us that connection to our child, the inner child within ourselves. So some of the questions that we can first ask is by taking a piece of paper and writing down these specific questions and answering them and using them during the eclipse themselves. Rather than going outward and looking at the sun directly, maybe it's a time to go inward to create the thoughts of what we want to manifest and what can be created during this great time. So the first thing is what do you want to create on the highest level for yourself? What do you desire? What do you want? Write down the question and write down the answer and sit with it. The second question is what do I want to let go of, which doesn't benefit you anymore for the highest good? So think about things in your life that you want to get rid of that no longer serve you. The third question is what does my heart want to feel? What is it that you really desire to feel on an authentic and vulnerable level? And write down your answer. And the fourth one is, how do I want my life on this earth and the world around me to appear at the highest vibrational level? In other words, what do you want to see around the earth? What do you want to feel around the earth? What do you want to create that you can think through and see for yourself and for the world itself so that we're at a better place? So these are some of the questions that you can think about. And I think this would be a positive thing for us to obviously write down, think about, and meditate over your answers and try to visualize what you'd like to see. All right. I hope you have a great day today, and hopefully